Are your free reports too sales pitchy? That's not the way to promote your affiliate products. The great sales pitch can be a bit overrated, seeing that majority of the most seasoned affiliate marketing customers and prospective members tend to be skeptical and jaded. When giving out free reports to promote your affiliate products, enthusiasm can cause you to produce a sales pitchy report, something that could be taken the wrong way by your prospects. If you want to make a good impression, writing a free report that smacks of too much sales pitch is just not the way to get people to purchase your affiliate products. Why sales pitchy free reports are ineffective. There are several reasons why sales pitchy free reports are not recommended for promoting your affiliate products. For one, they sound rather suspect, are usually too colorful to be believable and, if they are especially badly written, are peppered by punctuation marks and bold letters that shouldn't be where they are. They also sound too desperate to be credible, sounding as if they were written with the sole purpose of making a quick sale. Furthermore, they usually do not present the whole picture to the reader, focusing instead on promoting a product profusely without considering how it can be useful or relevant to potential customers. Sales pitchy free reports usually lack the declaration that states its true value to its readers. If you've read sales pitchy free reports before, you probably know exactly why you treated them with disbelief. If you've thrown away or deleted a sales pitchy free report you didn't even bother to finish reading, you will understand why that's not the way to promote your affiliate products. Writing the right free reports without being sales pitchy. When you write free reports, consider them as part of your sales campaign. This means that they are essentially advertising and as such, should be able to gently push prospective customers into performing certain desired actions. Here are some very important things you have to remember when using free reports to promote your affiliate products. Free reports should make a good first impression. A well-written title is an excellent technique to ensure that you get a hold of your readers' attention and encourage them to read further. If the title is bland, your readers will either skim through the report and miss the good points or give up altogether. Free reports should avoid the general public. A common mistake among marketers who write free reports to promote their affiliate products is that they tend to write for just about everyone. Remember that your affiliate products have specific market demographics. Find out what these are and write directly to them. Free reports should include details. Words such as excellent, good, amazing, and incredible always find their way into free reports. While there is nothing wrong about using them, they tend to be too generic and ultimately, sales pitchy. Instead of using these words or their synonyms again and again, try to use details and specifics instead. Review that free report you have written and check out generic words. Instead of saying that the affiliate product is an excellent deal, say, you get 25% off your purchase. Instead of merely saying that the purchase is risk-free, say instead that you offer a 100% money-back guarantee. There has to be a sense of urgency. A good, non-sales pitchy free report should include a statement regarding the effectivity date of the promotion. When promoting your affiliate products, state in clear terms when the product will be sold for the special price and for how long. By restricting the product's availability, you will be able to gently persuade your readers and turn them into real paying customers. So are you still writing those embarrassing sales pitchy free reports?
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.